If you're trying to find the easiest way that you can make profitable Amazon review videos really fast and really simple, this is the video for you. What's going on, everybody? My name is Vernon, and here at Amazing Amazon Eye, it's about helping you get approved and maximizing your income. I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 biggest tips that I have used personally and what we teach in our community to help you make the most money when you're doing Amazon review videos. So let's start from the top. Amazon review videos can be a little uncomfortable at the beginning because when you first get started, you're thinking, I want to make sure I'm perfect. I want to make sure I make this video right. I want to make sure I make money. You just have this entire catalog of things that you start thinking about. First step that I want you to start looking at when you're creating an Amazon review video is you have been a consumer. Start thinking about the things that you are looking for. When you are creating your Amazon review video, once you find the product, and that's the assumption here, you found the products. And if you need some help picking out the products or even of what categories to avoid, here's a video that I highly recommend that I created to show you the ins and outs and do's and don'ts of what type of products that you want to get started with, especially for your initial review process. You only get 3 tries with that and then you're out, but I talk about that more in the video. But once you have figured out which products you want to review, start thinking about your script. And your script is everything that you know that you are looking for when you're purchasing. So start thinking that you are a consumer. Sure, you're making a review video. Sure, you're informing of a purchase. But ultimately, you bought X product, whatever that product may be. It could be this mouse, and you bought it for a reason to relieve a problem. Let people know why you bought the product. There's a few more questions I'm going to get into in 1 second here, but let people know what was the reason for the product. Let people know that if you're going to have 1 to 2 minutes, and I recommend 1 to 2 minutes, I talk about more in that video, but if you were talking about this product for 1 to 2 minutes, you need to make sure that you're talking about the problem. What led to you making this purchase? Number 2, if you're kind of running out of ideas on what you can talk about, start looking at the product and talk about how it relieved the problem in your life. Be very mindful of what you say, but let people understand that this product relieved X problem, or this product made my life easier because of this. Let people know what exactly that you purchased this product for, because ultimately that's probably why they're going to be purchasing the product. The next tip. This is one that's going to come with more practice, but just to let you know this, you don't need to be perfect. When you're creating these Amazon review videos, I'm always recommending when you're creating Amazon review videos, you want to make sure that you make them come across as natural. People don't want commercials. They want experiences. If people wanted a commercial, they would honestly, the companies would hire out someone. What they're looking for is experiences you've had. So the more mistakes you make, the more ahs, and things like that, I recommend leaving them in the video. Because when we're trying to find out if this is the best nail cutter or the best hair product, we're not worried about if you say, oh my gosh, I cannot believe that your words slurred a little bit. It's, hey, you sound like me. You remind me of someone that I know, but yet you're still recommending this product. They're almost looking to you as if you're a friend. So remember, friends are human. So embrace your humanity while you're making these videos, and it's going to make it that much easier. And the less strain that you feel and the less robotic that you feel, it comes across natural, what obviously influences a purchase. Have you ever watched something just because you really connected with the narrator or you just really like the way that people deliver things? You could actually be encouraging a sale by the mistakes that you make, or another way of looking at it is just being a regular human, letting people know like, hey, I found this product, I think you'll like it. So don't forget, embrace your humanity. It's a big tip that a lot of people are not talking about. And the last tip that I'm going to recommend, and this is a big one. Here's a big one. Don't be long-winded. I intentionally said that slow. Yes, get those videos done in 1 to 2 minutes max. I am a big believer. We are such huge believers of making the video concise, making sure that you are confidently sharing information on why you love it, what problems it's relieved, but get on with it. I understand that there are some videos, maybe you want to have a variation of unboxing, and I talk about that in another video, by the way, that have different video variations, but people want to know, is this product good for them? Do they like it? Boom. Remember, on many social media platforms, shorts or short form video are crushing it right now, and there is a reason. So don't work against yourself. By the way, that if you're talking more, there's a good chance that you could say something that could get you almost rejected or disqualified from the program. Claims are not allowed, and I'm very open with that, but the more time you are talking, there's a bigger chance that you could actually say something that could be reviewed as a claim. So get to the point. That's all I'm saying. I love this. It's a great product. It helped me out. It didn't take that long. Boom, I recommend this product. Boom. Get to the point. Value people's time, and that's what same thing I did in this video. I got to the point on which you need it most. And speaking of getting to the point, if you're at the point where you're figuring out, oh my gosh, I need some help and I'm not quite sure what to do, look inside of our comment section right down below. We have a free Facebook community, free, where we are helping people get it approved and also making sure any roadblocks or pitfalls that come about, you can come in there and get your questions answered live by myself and also my business partner and many others. We have literally thousands on the community and we'd love to have you. But you can find out more about that in the description box right down below. Thank you all for watching. Happy approval, and let's make some more money with those approval videos. If you like content like this, check this out.